So basically our input command here in Johto BTA with Merak control board. So 6061 are input command 1, which is by default open command, and 6062 will be the input command 2. So by default the input command 2 is close command. So now this jumper wire we will assume to be like push button. So if I jumper 6061, you will see it will give open command. Okay, then 6062 will be close command. Okay, now we're going to change the input command, which is 6061. We will change it into start command. So how to do that? You press OK 4 times, or then you go to logic, then search for IC1. Press OK to enter, and then set the number. It's either 0 or 1. So for this video we use 0. Okay, press OK to save and to program, then exit by pressing 2 buttons together, the plus and minus button, until you see the SUC. So now the input command 1 we change from open command to start command. So when I jumper the 6061, you will see the difference. It changed the value on the display. If I short it again, 6061, okay, you will see it means in the same button you can command the barrier to open and to close. Okay, thank you.